welcome to the video. In this video we're going to be looking at Forex currency. Might work with stocks. I haven't tried it, but it's a scalping strategy. So basically scalping means that they're short-term positions. You're opening them and closing them within 1 hour, but you're making a small profit on a frequent time frame. So the way this one works is, what I do is I have 3 indicators. They are all EMAs, but I have the period on each of them set, one at 50, one at 100, and one at 150. So that is basically all you need on your chart to get going. Also, if you want to get started on Trading 212, it is a very easy platform to use. I've used it since the start. There's zero commission, which I find brilliant. So I have my referral link in the description. If you sign up with that link, we both get 1 free share worth up to €100, which is great. I have gotten one worth up around, I think, 25 at the time, and I just sold it off, and I could use that for trading Forex and currencies then. It was actually great. So use that link down below, and yeah, let's get started. So now you can see we are on the 1 minute chart of the same 1 hour chart that we just looked at. Why we come down to the lower time frame is because it is scalping. It is short term, so we are in and out within maybe 10 minutes. But we have our 3 EMAs in a parallel order again, which just confirms that for us. So the basis of the strategy is, when our candles come close to the EMA, the 50 EMA, or touch it, this signals the starting point of our strategy. So they can touch the EMA, they can come really close like in here, but one thing we don't want is this. It becomes past the 50 and hits the 100. That is no good. That means our strategy is all the way gone. Might as well not use it. It just won't work. So you can see here, I would not take this trade. It hasn't touched it, but it's come too close. So I would count that out. This will be close to what I'll be looking for. Ideally, these candles will be down here lined up along the EMA, maybe like the second half here. So if we like blocked out those, that kind of trend is perfect for us. So we'll just take this sample here for a minute. When our candles are on uptrend, they make a little dip and touch the line. This is where we take our trade, and then they go up. So on an uptrend, this strategy is used to buy. On a downtrend, you use it to sell, but it's the same principle. So we can see that they touch here. So I will be looking for an entry about here after it's confirmed that they're continuing in an uptrend. You want to set your stop loss just below 50 EMA, and the take profit is fully up to you. I would set mine a bit looking like this. So we have a nice spread and a very solid risk to reward ratio. You might get this a couple of times on an uptrend, like you can see. If that wasn't gone through the 150 EMA, you would take that trade. This maybe, I don't think I would, because there's not enough of these candles on this level. And here down this corner, definitely not, because that's what your EMA looks like. You want them like this. You don't want them all bunched up together, because God knows which way they could go then. So up here will be the ideal one. I'll move on to another 1 hour chart where we can see a downtrend. So I'll come back to you on the 1 hour chart. So here we are on the 1 hour time frame with our 3 EMAs. You can see from here on, they're in the parallel kind of organization, which we like to see. So here will be kind of useless. We're looking for this. This confirms it is a downtrend. This confirms that we are going to sell. So this is what you check out before you move to your lower time frame. So you go on to your 1 hour, confirm it is a downtrend, and then you go down to your 1 minute. So I'll just go to the 1 minute of this section of the chart. So as you can see, we are on the 1 minute time frame. We are looking for the same kind of setup. So we have our 3 parallel EMAs. We're looking for them to come close, touch off, and then move away. So they will be the 2 clears I would see here. And I'll talk to you a little bit about this and why you would think it's a trade about here, but then you have this kind of uptrend happening. So we'll just start off with the standard up here. So once we see it hit this line here, we'll be waiting for it to come down. Once this is confirmed a downtrend, I would have probably taken my trade about here. Stop loss again just above the 50 EMA. Take profit is fully up to you. I don't know, mine would have been in around there. So again, that is a nice risk to reward ratio. It will give a quick, easy profit within the space of maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So these are quick trades. Do not force them is the thing. Don't go onto your trading platform, whatever it is, go through the charts and force this strategy out. It only works if it's there. So don't try to convince yourself that it actually is there. That is one mistake I would say a lot of people make of trading. Now this second one here, we would have seen it hit here, wait for confirmation around here of it moving down. See, it could come down and then up. So we just wait a small while just to confirm that it is downtrend. So we would enter here, our stop loss just above the EMA, and our take profit maybe around here. So again, that is nice, quick, easy profit. This would have been a longer time frame than this one. This one would have taken maybe 10 minutes or more, depends on what you're looking for. Even if you let them run, like you can see it hit this level down here. So if you set your take profit down here, you would have hit that here. So that is the exact same strategy in the opposite direction. So now we're just going to talk about this here and why you wouldn't take this trade. So we have our 3 parallel EMAs. We can see when this is our last candle, we can see it's coming up towards the EMA. By the time we get to this candle, we can see it's hit. Don't be too rushing in this strategy, because as you can see, you want to wait for it to confirm that it's going to continue downwards. As you can see here, it didn't go down, it went up. So that's why I like to wait until maybe 5-10 minutes later to confirm that it is continuing downwards. You take your trade around here, take profit will be just up here, or your stop loss will be just there, and then your take profit will be down here. So instantly you run up into your stop loss. So that is the main bulk of the strategy. I'm just going to go over the 3 rules. You want 3 EMAs, one at 50, one at 100, and one at 150. So that is your setup. What you want to do from here is you want to move on to your 1 hour time chart, confirm there's either on an uptrend, then 3 parallel lines, or on the downtrend, then 3 parallel lines. Then from the hour chart, you're going to move to 1 minute, which is what we have here. You're going to be looking for these, and you're just going to wait, give it a few minutes to confirm that it's continuing the downtrend. So you might take your trade in between here, and you can see it's confirmed here, so you take a trade around there. So yeah, use your own risk management. This is just an informative video. I'm not telling you to go out and enforce a strategy. I never recommend actually putting strategies in use without testing them and trying them a lot on a trading account. The best way to do it is on Trading 212's practice account. You can open up a free practice account, no deposit or anything required. You don't even have to sign in or anything, but you get up to 50,000 worth of practice funds. So this is how I originally tested this formula or this strategy. I found it successful, so I implemented it into my own trading. I have found it very profitable. So I hope you have enjoyed. Again, if you do want that free stock, you can trade Forex, you can trade stocks on Trading 212. use the link in the description below. Thank you.